And so, don't be spending your money on McDonald's. Invest it in a business that's going to retire you for the rest of your life. And then we have a Legal Shield Advantage Plus subscription. As you can see here, we have our website that'll be set up for you, which people can go on and pick the plans that they want. They can read all about it. They can watch videos there. And then it also comes with this great app called Prospect, where it's a contact relationship management tool where you can keep track of all your prospects, what they watch, notes on each one, when to follow up, put them on an email campaign. These are incredible technology tools that most business owners would pay hundreds of dollars a month for. The company subsidizes and makes it available to us, free for the first 30 days, but then $24.95 a month thereafter. So if you like what you saw, I want to encourage you to get back to the person who introduced you here. Call them and say, hey, I want to become a member. Oh, I need to get that protection. I need to get my will done. I want to get that legal advice. I want to be empowered. Number 2, become an associate, because you're going to slip up and tell somebody about this amazing service anyway. You're going to recommend it to the people that you love, because we would never let our closest friends and family pay full price for an attorney, would we? I know that I would not. And so become an associate so you can have a marketing site set up for you. They can sign up with you and then get trained and get promoted. It only takes 3 minutes to enroll. Call the person that invited you. Let them know what you like best. And thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you either at our training tonight or tomorrow. We're having an amazing, incredible presentation just like this at this tomorrow at 7 p.m. Central Time. 7 p.m. Central Time, Monday, here on the same Zoom link. Please join us. We look forward to being with you and working together with you and traveling the world with you. Have a great night, everybody.